Hey guys, it's your girl Bre'yana Jasmine, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to make YouTube thumbnails for beginners. A lot of people ask me how I make my thumbnails, so here you go. The apps you will need are Pinterest, picsart, and the app Over. You can find all of these in the Apple Store. Okay, you guys, so first what you want to do is open the Pinterest app so you can search for any background you want. I like to search for aesthetics half the time. Sorry, I can't really say it aesthetics, but you can search for any different kind of background you want to. I'm just searching around. I'm just choosing like 3 different backgrounds to see which ones I like. Okay, so once you have your background, you want to open PicsArt so you can choose different pictures you want or the pictures you want for your thumbnails. Like I'm doing now, I'm just choosing pictures I just took so I can edit them. After you've chosen a selfie you go to cutout so you can crop yourself out like I'm doing now. Sometimes it'll automatically crop it out for you or you have to clean it up a bit. Okay, so now that you have yourself cropped out, you want to save it to your gallery. Then you want to choose another picture, however many pictures you want for this thumbnail. I usually do 2 sometimes, depending on how I feel. So next I'm just cropping another picture out so I can save it. It doesn't really take me a lot of time because I'm so used to it now. Okay, you guys, so you want to open the Over app. You want to choose a background. I went with the second one, I believe, because I felt like it would match the shirt I was wearing. Sometimes I do that. So it lets you choose channel, banner, or YouTube. I went with that. So I'm just going to edit it so I can customize the shape that I want. I'm rotating it, basically. Okay, you guys, so next you want to start adding the pictures in. Like I said, I only did 2. You can do however many pictures you want. After this, I'm going to blur the background so then that way I can figure out how I want to outline my picture. I know some people do like the outline. I don't know how to explain it, but I know some people outline their pictures and like you don't really see that they're cropped out. But this is similar to that, but this is just the easy way out, if you know what I'm saying. You go to shadow and choose the color you want the shadow to be. You can either choose to blur it or dim the blurriness down so it can be a sharpness. I like to do blur sometimes. As you can see, I'll be changing the color to red in a few clips, so stay tuned. So sometimes it may be difficult trying to figure out which pictures you want to do, where you want to place them. So you see me moving them around, trying to figure out where I want it. You even see me move in the background because I don't really know where I want to place the pictures at. So yeah. Okay, so next you want to choose the text. I'm just going to put how to make YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to change it to YouTube thumbnails because I feel like it would fit better. And I'm going with the Playfair text because I feel like that font is very good for this thumbnail. I'm going and changing how I want to blur the background, whether I want to keep it the same. I'm going with the red shadow in the back of the text. So next, this is where you get fancy. This is where you choose whether you want to add graphics, stickers, etc. I'm using a YouTube graphics on the Over app. And a few clips from now, you'll see me switch over to PicsArt because Over doesn't have as many graphics or aesthetic stickers as PicsArt does. And as you can see right now, I'm changing it to how to make YouTube thumbnails. Like I said, I'm changing the shadow of my pictures to red just to match the text because sometimes I like to match the background of my pictures with the text because I feel like it really makes the letters pop and the thumbnail pop. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Now I'm just saving it. Switching over to the Picsart app, don't mind that ugly picture, but we're just adding more graphics or stickers that we feel we need. I'm doing Pinterest, Picsart. I couldn't find the Over app, so I didn't include it. I did include it, but that's why I switched over to PicsArt because they didn't really have it. I saved some of these pictures from Google Chrome because that's the best way if you want to find logos. Now you can feel free to place these graphics wherever you want. I'm just placing them one at a time just to see where I like the placement so it can make the thumbnail really pop. It's up to you. It's your thumbnail. You do what you desire. So next you want to save it and go back to the Over app because if you don't know, YouTube thumbnails are 1280 by 720, so you want it to fit that. So I like to go back in the Over app so it can still, just to make sure that it's the right dimension. And then next we're going to the YouTube Studio app. Once you see in the next clip, I have to reinstall it because I do that to save up storage half the time. But yeah. So once you open the YouTube Studio app, it shows your analytics, how many subscribers and stuff you have. You want to click the three lines and you want to go to videos. You want to click which video, hit thumbnail, and you can choose the edit thumbnail like I'm doing. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Comment more videos you want to see me do. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.